Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites because missing basics cause false failures. First, ensure line of sight and Fresnel clearance. You need at least one clear Fresnel radius. Next, power and grounding. Confirm PoE voltage and connectors. Bad power alters sync. Then check firmware and save a config backup. Mismatched code can break convergence. Once done, verify IP addressing and route reachability by pinging the opposite radio. These early steps isolate hardware, power, and addressing faults fast. Once basic checks are complete, you perform the alignment and tuning that actually make links converge. Use a fine sweep. Move azimuth and elevation in 0. 5 degrees increments while watching RSSI and SNR because small moves change throughput. Then lock modulation to a conservative MCS to stabilize the link, and monitor retransmits and link rate. That explains why it falls back or flaps. Also align timing. Set identical radio timers and enable NTP to avoid packet jitter and control plane timeouts that break convergence. To finish, verify stable convergence with real traffic tests. Run sustained throughput and latency checks for several minutes so you can see intermittent flaps. Make sure routes and management access persist after a reboot. That proves settings are persistent. If instability remains, replace suspect hardware, swap antennas or radios, and inspect cabling and ground. As a final step, document exact settings and apply firmware upgrades in stages. If you still see problems, focus troubleshooting on interference scans and repeaters, because those often hide convergence issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.